MAXVAC was proud to support the 2023 Dulux Academy Open House event. This is the third time it's run and certainly the busiest yet. There was a great atmosphere, very relaxed, with a number of the decorators bringing their families along to play mini golf and have fun with Vienna, the Dulux dog, and then enjoy the excellent barbecue and ice cream. But getting back to business, there was a massive interest in the MAXVAC dust blocker. This is something that Dulux themselves are using in their own training academy and is used by a number of painting contractors for effectively removing overspray and keeping the air in their painting areas clean. So this is a quick peep inside the academy, showing some of the incredible things they're teaching. It's incredible. Decorators just kept coming up saying, "I've seen this plastered all over Facebook and I've come to have a look at it." So all in all, we had an excellent day and look forward to their fourth event next year. And in the meantime, we are preparing for the Painting and Decorating Show at Coventry Arena in November and are looking forward to seeing you all there.